Welcome to the Collaborative Cinch, where we break down larger topics into easy to understand bites. Hi, I'm Katie Swanson, founder of Change Collaborative. We bring a corporate level business planning and analysis function on a fractional basis to startups, high growth companies, and companies looking to exit in 3 to 5 years with actual or projected annual revenue of 2 to 20 million. These topics and strategies are designed to inform, inspire, and ignite change in your business and life. So here we go. I wanted to come on and quickly show you a tool that you have available to you if you use QuickBooks Online. And this is a tool that you can use for cash management. I'm going to share some features of it and then some advantages to maybe plugging in another app to your QuickBooks Online that might help you be able to see further out in the future. So the tool is Cash Flow Planner within QuickBooks Online, which is fairly new within the last probably 6 to 12 months. I'm going to share my screen and we're going to get started. So you access Cash Flow Planner, and when you're in QuickBooks Online, over here in the left menu, Cash Flow, and then choose Planner. You'll have an overview. So then now we're in Planner here. You can select your period that you want to look at. So I have selected 6 months. So it's going to show some historical data, and then you'll be able to see your projections going forward over here. And those projections are driven off data that's already in your QuickBooks file. And this is actually for a company that doesn't have historical data because they really just started. So if you are a startup and you don't have historical information in your QuickBooks file in order for QuickBooks to trend off that data, you're going to need to input your information in here. So all of this projected data actually came from me updating the planner. So it's sectioned out between money in and money out. So right, that's essentially money that you're going to get into your bank account and money that you're going to pay out. So money in is generally going to be revenue. This could be loans or money that you're injecting into the business. So I have included here some recurring revenue each month. And I have set that up as a new event here. So you can set it up as a one-time or a repeating. You select money in, money out, whether it's daily, weekly, or monthly here, and then you can set a time for it to stop. So I didn't. I'm just saying recurring revenue is $10,000 a month. And then I've actually built in some growth. So I'm going to say that sales are going to increase by $2,000 a month. And so I've added that in here as a monthly repeating money in item. And then I went over and scheduled out some money out items. So I have a weekly payroll item here. I guess that's weekly, that's why. And that's a repeating money out. And I guess you can select the day. I'm going to update that. And then you can see over here how your projected cash balance. You can see your projected cash balance over here, and you can see me like you can toggle over this and see what's impacting this each day. Like see here's money in of $12,000, so that's June 1st. On that date also is money out of $500, which is probably payroll, and you can kind of see what that looks like. So so this is really cool if you want to see kind of a couple months into the future what you have going on. If you schedule that out or it trends off your historical, or this year is different than last year, because that's really what it's going to do, is it's going to trend off what's happened last year or all the data that's in your QuickBooks file. If you know that's going to be different, you can adjust your money in and money out here. A limitation to this is if you want to do any long-term planning, you're going to need to plug in a different app, because again, this only looks 2 months into the future, which is good for cash management on a short-term basis. But if you're wanting to forecast out some big changes in your business that you're wanting to make, you might want to consider another app. But this is really cool. I wanted to come on and show this to you. It's pretty simple. Just it's going to trend off the data that's in your QuickBooks file. To the extent you don't have that historical data, you can come in and put in your money in and your money out, and it's pretty intuitive. You just kind of follow the prompts. If it's money in, money out, if it's a one-time or repeating, how often it repeats, what day of the week, Does it end? If it ends, select the period, and then it updates your forecast going forward. Hope you are able to get into this and play with it and utilize it in your business. Thank you for watching The Collaborative Cinch. If you want this content directly to your inbox, please sign up for our newsletter by going to our website, www.changecollaborative.co, and registering. If you need help with this topic or any other topic we have covered, please complete the Contact Us form on our website for a free one-time 15-minute consultation. We look forward to seeing you next time for another Collaborative Cinch.